Hello friends, let's explore the fascinating journey of Binance, one of the biggest names in the cryptocurrency world. Founded by changpeng Zhao, affectionately known as CZ, Binance quickly rose to the top, outperforming other crypto exchanges with its impressive trading volumes. CZ was more than just the CEO, he was the driving force behind Binance. He was known for his commitment to playing by the rules, always insisting that Binance operated cleanly and within legal boundaries. However, Binance's rapid success wasn't without its challenges. Despite its positive reputation amongst many, the company faced criticism from some quarters. Critics raised concerns labeling Binance as a ticking time bomb for not being cautious enough with regulatory compliance. Binance's story was thus twofold: a tale of a meteoric growth and ambition coupled with accusations of not always being transparent about the adherence to regulations. As Binance sought to expand its global presence, it encountered significant roadblocks, particularly in China. The Chinese government's stringent approach to cryptocurrency businesses forced Binance to relocate. They initially moved to Japan, but regulatory pressures there soon increased. In response, Binance adopted a novel strategy. They decided not to have a fixed headquarters. This innovative approach enabled them to operate across multiple countries, though it brought its own challenges, particularly in the United States, where they faced a complex web of legal hurdles. This journey of Binance highlights not only the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrencies, but also the delicate balance of innovative business strategies and regulatory compliance. Stay tuned as we delve further into the twists and the turns in Binance's story. Let's now take a closer look at the intriguing story of Binance as it navigated through some really challenging times. As Binance grew in popularity, it found itself in a tricky situation with government regulations, which led to a complex and fascinating journey. The story began in China, where new strict regulations forced Binance to move out. They relocated to Japan, but it wasn't smooth sailing there either. They faced similar challenges in following the local rules. In an unexpected move, Binance did something quite unconventional. They stopped revealing where their main office was located. This decision stirred up a lot of curiosity and raised questions about whether they were trying to dodge government regulations. Looking to align with American regulations, Binance launched a separate version in the US in 2019 called Binance US. However, this move couldn't keep them under the radar of the American legal authorities. Even within Binance, there were internal concerns. Their own chief compliance officer highlighted a significant issue in the US. Binance was operating somewhat like a trading business without the necessary license. This was a major concern, as the US is known for its stringent regulations that often set the standard globally. The legal challenges for Binance was just beginning. By 2020, major US agencies like the SEC and the DOJ started investigating Binance, and other countries followed suit. Despite these growing challenges and skepticism, Binance continued to expand. CZ, the leader at the helm of Binance, saw his wealth skyrocket, placing him amongst the world's wealthiest CEOs. Yet, beneath this layer of success, there was a persistent allegation that Binance might just be prioritizing profits over strict adherence to government regulations. This journey of Binance isn't just a tale of financial growth and challenges. It's a complex story about navigating the evolving landscape of global regulations in the cryptocurrency market. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this captivating saga. In 2023, the world of cryptocurrencies experienced a major shakeup, particularly impacting Binance and its founder CZ. Once leading the pack, they suddenly faced significant challenges. Their approach of closely towing the line of regulations backfired, leading to a rapid downturn. CZ, the mastermind behind Binance's success, had to resign as CEO amid facing criminal charges in the United States. Binance itself was not spared. The company had to admit its errors and agree to pay a massive fine of $4.3 billion. Binance found itself under serious accusations. They faced legal trouble for not properly adhering to the US laws, notably those aimed at preventing illegal financial activities amongst other regulatory breaches. This was a dramatic shift for an entity that once stood at the world's premier cryptocurrency exchange. The scrutiny on Binance's practices intensified globally. Owing to various investigations, Binance had to withdraw from key markets, notably in Europe. The fallout led to layoffs within the company and the departure of several high-ranking officials. These developments had profound implications. For CZ, it signified a significant loss of wealth and influence. For Binance, it marked the beginning of a challenging era, navigating a complex landscape of legal issues and compliance with regulations. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the evolving saga of Binance, a story that highlights the volatile nature of the cryptocurrency industry and the critical importance of regulatory compliance. In a dramatic twist, Binance and its founder CZ confronted some serious challenges. CZ owned up to not following important rules meant to stop illegal financial activities. This admission was a big moment for Binance, allowing them to continue their operations. Despite the issues, CZ maintained a major stake in the company. Binance's apology and acknowledgement for their mistakes provided them with an opportunity for a fresh start and to grow more responsibly. This wasn't just a routine legal agreement, it was the beginning of a new era for Binance. They committed to following a much stricter rule and agreed to be closely monitored by US authorities. This raised an important question. Could Binance continue to thrive even if CZ wasn't leading the throne? The situation Binance found itself had widespread implications. As a major player in the cryptocurrency market, their actions had significant consequences. This situation was more than just a single company grappling with legal challenges. It reflected the evolving nature of cryptocurrency regulations. The entire industry is in the process of figuring out how to innovate while still keeping in line with legal requirements. Now, all eyes are on Binance as they navigate these challenges. The decisions they make will shape not only their own future but could also significantly influence the entire cryptocurrency landscape. To get a full picture of Binance's situation, it's useful to compare it with other big names in the cryptocurrency world like FTX. The founder of FTX faced some serious legal troubles, which is a bit different from Binance's story. Binance did run into big problems for not following certain rules, especially ones about preventing illegal financial activities, but they were able to make a deal that allowed them to keep their doors open. This situation makes us wonder about the fairness and the effectiveness of the rules in the cryptocurrency industry. It's interesting to see that Binance is still in business even after breaking some significant rules, which is not something we often see with other companies in the same field. Looking into the future, there still is a lot of uncertainty about what's next for Binance and CZ, particularly with the ongoing lawsuit by the SEC. This lawsuit brings up more serious issues like possibly not taking good care of customer funds. The result of this lawsuit could be a game changer for Binance and could even have a bigger impact on the entire cryptocurrency market. The story of Binance is more than just a tale of a company doing well or facing challenges. It really highlights the complexities and the uncertainties in the world of cryptocurrency regulations. It is a reminder that in this industry, being careful and thorough is super important, as the rules on what's legal and what's not become quite unclear. As we conclude this segment on Binance, we're curious about your thoughts. What do you think about this? Share your opinions in the comment section below. If you're interested in keeping up with the latest technology, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more interesting content. Stay tuned for the next deep dive into the fascinating world of technology. Until then, stay safe and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.